Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be making this frozen fringe blanket. Has instructions on the back. Just cut it and tie in knots. I've actually made one before for my niece. Now I'm gonna make one for my daughter because she loves Frozen. She's obsessed with Frozen. Frozen clothes, Frozen shoes, Frozen toys, Frozen everything. But we'll see how this goes. So it comes in 2 different blankets apart like this. We're gonna place fleece layers wrong sides together. So I lay them out together, wrong sides inside. It's pretty big, as you can see. The next step to this is, you see these lines right here? This whole corners, you have to cut these out, put them away to the side. And each and every one of these lines you have to cut, which, as you can see, is all around the blanket. It takes time and patience, but it's actually pretty calming for me. And it turns out very beautiful. So let's start this. I also want to add that it will be easier if you buy or purchase fabric scissors. I borrowed these from my mother, but normal scissors, I've tried it, it doesn't work. It comes out very sloppy. So just a tip. So these are the knots that I made all across to keep it in contact.
2 hours later.
Okay guys, this is the finished product. It came out beautiful. You like it, Mama? Yeah, you love it? Say thank you, Mommy.
Thank you, Mommy.
Daughter approved.